My name is Kane Ryan. I am a junior biochemistry, biophysics, and molecular biology major, and I am a fish culture technician at the CTUIR's Mussel and Lamprey Lab. The thing that interested me most about this internship at the Water Center is that I got the ability to study species that aren't really studied anywhere else in the world. Pacific lamprey and freshwater mussels aren't considered species of interest by most organizations, but because they're a first food for the Confederated Tribes of the Umatilla, we have the opportunity to study these species in way more depth than anywhere else in the world.
My name is Faith, and I'm a senior psychology major at Whitman College, and I'm currently conducting my thesis on the context dependency of implicit memory in pigeons. I chose Whitman because I wanted to find a place like a liberal arts small college where I can form relationships with my professors rather than being stuck in a big lecture hall. I think it's important to have hands-on experience in lab settings, mostly so that you sort of get a feel of what research looks like, and I guess it sort of makes it less scary.
My name is Sarah Marshall. I'm a senior politics and environmental studies major, and I work with the Career and Community Engagement Center as the student leader for community partnerships. It has provided me with a lot of opportunities to work collaboratively with a diverse range of people. We have, of course, the students who are on our team, but we're also able to interact with community partners and different Walla Walla community members. I will say I came into Whitman feeling very uncertain. I was ambivalent in my major choices the first couple years, and I think this has given me a lot of direction in terms of the things that bring meaning to my life, and community engagement is the type of work that does that. So as I look to my post-grad plans, I'm thinking a lot about nonprofit work and community building, community organizing, and I don't think that any of that would have been the direction I would have chosen without having this hands-on experience.